The Power of Zero, an emotional story on acceptance, friendship, and diversity. Hello, little explorer. Welcome to Numberland, a magical place where every number has a unique and special personality. Today, I'll share with you the heartwarming tale of a little zero with a big, kind heart. Our story begins with, in Numberland lived a small zero, round as a little ball, yet with a heart as vast and gentle, living sadly because no one seemed to notice. But one day, his life changed. One day, Zero encountered the number 1, a bit grumpy because he couldn't count to 3. Our little Zero, with his generous heart, offered him a ride on his magical car. It quickly became clear that 0 and 1 were destined to become great friends. Together, they explored Numberland, sharing joyful and amusing moments. One day, while traveling, 0 and 1 met the number 3. With an elegant bow, 3 made a special entrance. And not only 3, but all the numbers from 7 to 9 joined in a delightful bow. It was a spectacle full of smiles and joy. 1 and 0, sitting side by side, made a magical discovery. Together, they formed the number 10, becoming an authority respected by all. From that day forward, all the numbers treated 0 with respect. They offered him the right of way with kindness and care, showing how important it is to respect others. 0 soon became the most desired little number. Other numbers invited him to dinner, offered him sweets, proving how happy he was in his new life. Through 0's adventures, we learn the valuable lessons of friendship. As he helps 1 count to 3, 0 shows the little numbers that each of us has something unique and special to offer. Friendship is like magic that happens when we take care of each other and help one another. Our little 0 teaches us that even though we may seem different, together, we can create something extraordinary. And now, dear children, our story comes to a happy end. 0 lives happily in Numberland, surrounded by loving friends who appreciate his uniqueness. But the magic doesn't end here. Other numbers learn that when we work together, we can achieve great things. 0's friendship with 1 teaches us that even though we are small, each of us has an important role to play in the world. If this story made you smile and reflect, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our fantastic tales. Thank you for being here on Little Dreamers, where stories come to life.